Good morning, grade 7 and 8s. Hello, and today is Tuesday, April the 28th. Okay, so I'm going to try using this kind of screen so that you guys can all see what I am seeing here. All right, so yesterday you guys got to start on your animated character storybook writing assignment. And you should already have now your 4 animated characters that you've chosen from a variety of stories, including one villain. You should have a paragraph bio on each character with some of their personality traits, also with some background information like where they came from, things that happened to them from their famous movie or story, plus stuff that you've made up that you could use to connect these random characters, like how do they know each other. Plus, you also need to have that problem and solution to your story, which will likely include your villain. All right, now today, assuming you've got those things done, now you're ready to do today's work. If you haven't got those things done, you need to do that first, okay? So make sure you go back to yesterday's Monday, April 27th tab and read what you need to do there so you can get that done first, okay? Now, for today, what you're going to do is you are going to be constructing a plot graph. So here I've got a plot graph for you. Now, the one that you can see on your screen is the one that you can see on your screen is meant for like a book, okay? So this one here is like you've read a book, now you're gonna fill in the action. But you can use this as well, just for your own story. So this novel and author bit, you just ignore that, that's not a big deal. But you can fill in all the different rising action events, so things that are happening in your story, at least 4 of them, that are happening before the most exciting part. So this is the exciting part here. This is where your villain is doing something dastardly or evil. And then this falling action is where we solve that problem, okay? And we see that solution. So you might not be able to print this screen off very easily, and that's not a big deal, okay? Just take a piece of paper, look at it, copy out this stuff, and then start filling it in pencil and paper, okay? Now, if you are doing this pencil and paper, you're like, but Miss Garofalo, how are you gonna see that I did it? Because I wanna prove that I did it. Then what you need to do is you need to use your Chromebook to take a photo of your piece of paper, and you need to make sure that the light is good enough that that I can clearly read the words. So you might need to get like a lamp or something and set that up behind your computer so that the lamp is shining on your page when you go to take your photo, okay? And I'm actually going to insert another video. This is one that Sawyer did on how to do this. Basically, you got to go over to this insert button here, and then you click insert, and then you can take a photo. If you want to use a camera phone and take a photo from there, I think you can take a USB like wire, and you can like plug it in from your phone into your computer, and then your computer can read those photos from your phone. Okay, so that's another way that you can do that as well. All right, so that is your job for today. You need to have an introduction and a minimum of 4 events that create that rising action, then your climax, your following action, and your conclusion. So each piece of your plot should be detailed. Every event that you include should have at least 1 to 2 sentences in length, okay? So you got to do all this work, yesterday's work and today's work, in the writing section of your OneNote binder, and please take a photo of that, and I'll include those instructions. Okay, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next time. Just turn that off, and goodbye.